everyone and welcome back to my channel. Again we will start with the exercise 10.2 question 2. What is given in question 2? Express the following numbers in usual form. What we had done in question 1, we had express given number into the standard form. In usual form it was given and we changed that into the standard form. That means in a short form, in simple form, isn't it? Now here standard form is given in this question, second question. Standard form is given and you have to change that into the usual form. That means you have to expand the number. Got it? So let's start with the first sum. 3.02 into 10 raised to minus 6. Now here this minus 10 raised to power minus 6, first this exponent, negative exponent, we will change into the positive exponent. By which law you can change? A raised to the power minus m is equals to 1 by a raised to power m. Isn't it? So let's change here. And again what is here? You can see here this raised to power minus m is in numerator. When you are taking in denominator, its exponent changing from minus to plus. Similarly we can do here 3.02 divided by this, from numerator we will take in the denominator. So you will get 10 raised to 6. Positive. It will change minus 6 to plus 6. Therefore, you will get here 10 raised to 6. Got it? Now you have to shift here decimal point. For that, I am taking here one example. Suppose I am taking here 324 into 10 raised to minus 2. Got it? Here, how you can write? 324 divided by 10 square. This exponent we have taken in denominator, it changes into the positive exponent. Got it? Now here 10 square means what? 100. Therefore 324 divided by 100 we can write. Isn't it? Now this we have learned in decimal. That form is given in fractional form and we have to change it into the decimal. That time what we are doing? How many places, how many zeros are given here? 2 zeros. So after 2 places we are keeping decimal point and we are getting here 3.24. Okay. Now this only we are going to use here. What we had done here? How we had here 324 is given. That means what? Here after 4 decimal point is there and after that 0 is there. Therefore only 0 meaning, no meaning of that zeros. Therefore we are not writing here decimal point. We are writing only 324. But when we are dividing it with the multiple of 10, then how many zeros are there? From that, here 2 zeros are there. Therefore, from here 2 places towards the left we shifted your decimal point and we got here 3.24. Isn't it? That means which side we have shifted decimal point? Towards left. From this you can take out one rule, that when we are dividing, decimal is shifting towards left. How many places it will shift? Whatever there the exponent, whatever here the tens exponent, multiple of 10. Got it? So let's start with this first law. Again one more we will search now for multiply. Okay, here we searched for dividing. Now we will search for multiply. Suppose I am getting here 5.92 into 10 square. Okay. Now what we are doing when multiply? Now here I am writing here 5.92 into 10 square is 100. So into 100. What we learned during decimal, when you are multiplying, don't consider there is the decimal. Simply you multiply first. So after multiplying, what you will get here? 5, 9, 2 and these 2 zeros. This number you will get. After that you place here decimal point. After 2 places decimal point is there. Therefore we will keep from this side 1, 2. Here decimal point. What you got? Answer 592.00 means 592 only. That means when you are multiplying, your decimal point is shifting. See here. From here it shifted to after 2. That means 2 places shifted towards the right. Therefore, when you are multiplying, your decimal point shifting towards right. Shifting towards right. Got it? See here. You got these 2 golden rules. What is here? When you are dividing, decimal point is shifting towards left. When you are multiplying, decimal point is shifting towards the right. Now we are using these rules. What here you got? You are dividing. You are dividing by 10 raised to power 6. 10 raised to power 6 means how many zeros on 1? 10 raised to power 6 means what? 10 into 10 into 10. How many times? Into 10 into 10 into 10 6 times. Isn't it? This 10 into 10 how many times? 6 times. Then 10 into 10 is 100. 100 into 10 is 1000. 1000 into 10 is 10,000. Like that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros on that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. Got it? Now your decimal point you are going to shift how many zeros on 1? 6 zeros. Therefore you are shifting 6 points towards which side? When you are dividing, you are shifting your decimal point towards the left. So you are shifting towards left. Okay. So from that, how many zeros are there? Whatever the power will be there, that much zeros on 1 and that much places you are shifting your decimal point. So here you are dividing, therefore your decimal point is shifting towards the left. How you will shift? See here, I am writing first this number 302. This number I have written. Now here is your decimal point. Where is your decimal point? After 3. Here is your decimal point. You have to shift towards left. How many places? 6 places. So here is 1. So after the 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here is your decimal point. Got it? And after that here I am keeping 0 again. So what answer you got? 0.0000302, which is your answer. Now next, what is given second? 4.5 into 10 raised to 4. Now here positive exponent, so no need to use this law. Here multiplying by 10 raised to 4. So which law you will use? Multiplying decimal will shift towards the right. So it is going to shift towards the right. How many places? 10 raised to 4. That means 4 places. So what you will get here? 4. Now this one. 1 place is 5. This is 1 place. Shifted to here. Next to here. Then 2. Then 3. And then 4. So where you will shift your decimal point? Here. And after that again 0. So no need to write here this decimal point because it is the extreme place here 1. No natural number after that decimal. Therefore no need to write. So your answer is 45,000. Okay. Now come to the third one. Now here again what is given? 3 into 10 raised to power minus 8. So we will apply this law. What you will get here? 3 divided by 10 raised to 8. Got it? Now here you are dividing by the multiple of 10. Okay? So your decimal will shift towards the left. Now what is given here? 3. That means your decimal point is after 3. Here. Okay? This decimal point you are shifting towards the left. Got it? So what you will get here? See that 3 I am writing here. Here is your decimal point after 3. that you have to shift towards the left by 8 places. So here is decimal point. Here it will come 1 place, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here is your decimal point and 0. Got it here? Now come to next. Again here multiplying positive exponent, so no need to bring it in denominator. So which law you will use here? Multiplying. Multiplication, that means your decimal point is shifting towards the right. How many places this decimal point is shifting towards the right? 9 places, as 10 raised to 9 is here. Therefore 9 places you are shifting towards the right. So how you can shift? First I will write here 1. After that this decimal point towards the right. So 1 place, that means 0. Then again next 2, 0. Again this 3, 0. Again that 4, 1. Okay. 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Got it? So this is your answer. Now next, fifth one, 5.8 into 10 raised to 12. 10 raised to 12, positive exponent, multiplication law you will use. So when you are multiplying, your decimal point is shifting towards the right. So you are going to shift towards the right by 12 places. Okay. So first, before that is given 5. So I am writing here 5. After that 1 place 8. Okay. 12 places you have to shift. Now 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. After that will be decimal point here. After that 0, 0. Therefore we are not writing here decimal point. We will keep this much only. Okay. So you got this big expanded number, that is usual form of this standard form. Okay. Now come to the last sum. Here it is given this 3.61492 into 10 raised to power 6. Again their multiplication, positive exponent. So multiplication, no need to take it in denominator, already given positive exponent. We will use this law. Multiplication towards right you are shifting. So how many places you have to shift this decimal point? Decimal point is here and you have to shift by 6 places. So how you can shift? 3. After that 1 place, 2, 3, this 4, this 5 and we will keep 0. This is 6th place. After that is decimal point and then we can write here 0. But after that 0 only, therefore we are not writing this decimal point. Got it? So this is your answer. Okay. I hope you all understood question 2. So if you understood, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.